Hi, my loves. Today we're starting lesson 11. You not only need to solve each problem, but your groups, which we can't do, also need to prove to the class that the decimal in the product is located in the correct place. As a group, you are expected to present your informal proof to the class. So what we're going to do is calculate the product. Calculate means to solve, so everybody highlight. And product is the answer to a multiplication. So we need to know those vocabulary words, okay? And they're giving us 4 digits by 3 digits. Well, Miss Costello is going to change it. We're going to do 334 and 62 hundredths, and we're going to multiply it by 2.1. So Miss Costello changed this whole number. That's okay, okay? And we're going to start by multiplying like this. Straight across. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. Now we're going to the tens place. So we're going, first we ignore Miss Desi. I'm sorry, I should have said that. Then we solve for the product, just what we're doing right now, and now we're into the tens place. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 times 3 is 6. And then we are going to find the sum. 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 2 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. 9 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, so now's the part where they want you to be able to explain. And it's how you're going to place Miss Desi. Here you multiplied by the hundreds, so it's 2 places that you moved over. Here you multiplied by the tenths, so it's 1 place that you moved over. If you find the sum of your movements, which is 3, you're going to take your decimal, that's invisible over here, and move it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And it's just like you're multiplying by the thousandths place when you find your answer. So your product is 72 and 702 thousandths. Now, if you have a handy-dandy calculator with you, I want you to plug in our equation and see if we're right. Push pause, go grab a calculator, cheat a little bit, and then try it, okay? So the big thing here is how to place your decimal. And here you need to understand that we're placing it 2 on the top and 1 on the bottom. The sum of those movements is 3, so we need to start on our right side and move it 3 times. Okay, Xavier earns $11.50 per hour. Ooh, nice money at a nearby grocery store. Last week, Xavier worked 13.5 hours. How much did Xavier earn last week? Remember to round to the nearest penny. So our important information is $11.50, 13.5 hours. We're going to write that down. Okay, and how much did he make? So here we're going to multiply by 3, ready, at the bottom. So it's a 4-digit by a 3-digit. First, ignore Desi. I know a lot of you want to line them up and do the adding and subtracting way, but we're not going to do that with our multiplication and division. So here we go. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 1 is 6 plus 2. Wait, 5, 6, 7, sorry. 5 plus 1, 5 times 1 is 5. We're in the tens place, so we're going to put a 0. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. 3 times 1 is 3. Now we're in the hundreds. If I didn't have a decimal, we'd be in the hundreds. So we're going to put 2 zeros. We're in the hundreds. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Now find the sum. Make sure your numbers are nice and straight in columns. Nice and neat so we don't mess up our lineups. 0, 0, 0, 0 equals 0. 5 plus 0 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 5, 6 plus 4 is 10. plus 5 is 15. Regroup. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Okay, so here's what they want you to learn to do. Or it should be kind of review because you learned it last year. So we moved it 2 places on the top, 1 place on the bottom. The sum of our movements is 3. So we're going to take our decimal, which is on the right-hand side right now, and we're going to move it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And our product is 155 and 25, or 250 thousandths, and it says to round to the nearest penny. So our penny would be 5. So it's $155.25. Wow, yeah, way to go. All right, let's do the next one. Here we go. Calculate the product. This one goes by 4 digits. Oh, we're going to get rid of one of them. All right, here we go. We have 324 and 56 hundredths. And we are going to change our number to 4.82. Okay, so we changed that number. So I'll see if you're paying attention. Huh. Okay, so we're still doing it by 3 digit. We're not doing it by 4 digit. First step is just to multiply. Multiply it out. We're going to start. Ignore Miss Desi. Ignore her. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, we're done with that too. Now we're going to the hard number. We got 8s. We're in the 10s, so we got to put a 0. 6 times 8 is 48. Regroup. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 4 is 44. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 4, 36. 8 times 2 is 16, 17, 18, 19. And 8 times 3 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Done with the 8. Now we're on to the third number. So 1, 2, we're in the hundreds. We got 2 zeros down, and we're moving on to the 4. Now, all these are getting sloppy for me, so I'm going to cross them out so I don't get confused. 4 times 6 is 24. Notice you got to keep them lined up. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 2. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2, 17, 18. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. Line them up. Look at those. Woo! 2 plus 0 plus 0, 2. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Regroup. 4 plus 1 is 5. Plus 6 is 11. 12, 13. Let's go. 6 plus 1 is 7. Plus 9. 7, 7, 14, 15, 16. Plus 8 is 24. 9 plus 5 is 14. 15, 16. 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. And 1 plus nothing is 1. Ooh, look at that big old long number. Okay, so here comes Miss Desi. We got 1, 2 on the top. 1, 2 on the bottom. Our sum of movements is going to be 2 plus 2 is 4. So we have our Desi on the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. And our product is 1,564 and 3,792 ten-thousandths. Tenths, hundreds, thousandths, ten-thousandths. And you can rewrite it nice and neat if you'd like. 1,564.3792. Woo! Okay, now get out your handy dandy calculator and cheat a little bit. Let's enter it in. 324.56 times 4.82. If I made any mistakes, feel free to tell me during class. I got no problems owning up to it. All right, let's do one more. So it's a lot. Or should we do that one in class? I think we'll do that one in class. No, I'll do this one with you. Okay. Kevin spends $11.25 on lunch every day during the week. If there are 35.5 weeks during the school year, how much does Kevin spend on lunch over the entire school year? Remember to round to the nearest penny. Okay, so we're doing 3 digits, or 4 digits by 3 digits. Let's see what we're going to get. First we write it out, 11.25 times 35.5. Okay, I want you to try this one all on your own. Remember, ignore Miss Desi. Then solve, just regular multiplication, and then place Miss Desi in by counting the movements. The top is 1, 2. The bottom is 1. So you're going to move a total of 3 places. Okay, and that's where we will pick up in class. Have an amazing day. Make sure your room is clean and be nice to your parents.